This beautiful, beautiful sky I'm looking at. I'm sitting here working on this chicken coop. I'm just looking at this beautiful day. Okay, guys, I just wanted to, so I got the bottom part made and I did that. These arms here, I messed up. I should have did it a little bit differently. I should have waited on the arms. I was scared that I wouldn't have enough room to get in there to nail it. See the nails? So that's why I went ahead and did it. But I didn't do my measurements right. So this board right here is exactly perpendicular. So I told y'all I'm not a carpenter, so I'm learning. I know you guys that frame and stuff for a living are probably going, man, what a moron. But I wanted to show you guys, you know, the mistakes I made so you won't make the same mistake. So I'm probably either just gonna have to, you know, I don't know, put something in here or pull these down and slide them over or just frame up. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So anyway, I'll figure it out. But just wanted to show you my flub up so you guys won't do the same thing. All right. Okay, so I think I've rectified this problem. Had a gap, so I put a shim in there. And if you look at these, there's shims there. These I just cut out. I cut a 2x4 in half, and then I customized it. See, not the best craftsmanship, but you know, and it doesn't quite. My angles aren't. I mean, I'm not getting paid to build a house here, fortunately. But anyway, you get the idea. That's what I did. I got to put the sides on and put the lid on, but then I'll start. Probably doing the roof and then I'll do the outside last. But anyway, that's what my fix was. Thought it was pretty cool fix. And there's what the nesting box is going to look like from the inside. So be 4 of them. And I put the dividers in too. So okay, so I've got the nest box dividers in. See. And there's gonna be 4 nest boxes, so they're about a foot square. They're not perfect. Sorry, the lighting's not super good. Let me get up here. Like I said, all this is scrap wood that I've scavenged. So far, I've been very blessed to be able to get that. So anyway, that's where we're at. All right, I told you guys I didn't have mad skills as a carpenter, but so check this out. I took this piece of plywood, got it close to the size, and I just set it up there and held it and then traced it with a pencil. And I felt like that'd be the best way to do it. Let me get back over here. Okay, I apologize for all the shade, but it's just the time of the day I'm being able to do it. So more progress. So just wanted to let you know what you can do. I did it on both sides, see? And then now I have my dividers inside too. See, 1, 2, 3 dividers. And this is what it looks like from the inside. Alrighty. Starting to look like a chicken coop, huh? All right.